All right, let's talk about a tool that is seriously changing the game for how we work, write, and even think. Today, we're going to break down how you can master your new AI copilot, Claude.
You know that feeling, right? You're staring at a blank page, or maybe you're stuck on a nasty piece of code, or you're just buried under a mountain of research. Well, what if you had an assistant right there, ready to jump in and help out? That's exactly the idea we're diving into.
Okay, so we've set the stage, this idea of a brilliant co-pilot. Now let's actually meet the star of the show. So who or what exactly is Claude?
Now, listen to the wording here, collaborative partner. That's the key. This isn't just some dumb tool you give a command to. Nope, it's designed to work with you. Think of it less like a calculator and more like a creative sparring partner who's ready to help with literally everything from drafting emails to analyzing really complex data.
Okay, I know what you're thinking. This sounds amazing, but it's probably a huge pain to set up, right? Well, let's just walk through how ridiculously easy it is to get started. You're going to be surprised. And that's it, for real. There's no complicated software to download, no confusing installer. You just pop over to the website, sign up with your email like you do for 100 other things, and bam, you are immediately in a chat window ready to go. Seriously, we're talking less than a minute. The whole point is making it accessible, right? Tearing down any walls so you can just jump straight into figuring out what this thing can do. It's pretty amazing how user-friendly these new tools are becoming. So, you're in. Now what? What can you actually do with it? Well, let's open up the toolkit. We're just going to focus on a couple of the most powerful features, but trust me, this is just the tip of the iceberg of what Claude is capable of. This co-work feature, it's probably my personal favorite. I mean, imagine you're stuck trying to think of a catchy title for a project. You can just throw your half-baked ideas at Claude, and it'll spit back alternatives, help you tweak the wording, and even outline the entire project structure with you. It's basically like having a 24/7 brainstorming session on tap. And hey, for all you tech folks out there, the code feature is an absolute game changer. You can ask it to write a Python script to automate some boring task, help you hunt down that one bug that's been driving you nuts, or, and this is huge, you can ask it to explain a super complex algorithm in plain, simple English. It's an incredible tool for both learning and just getting stuff done. Okay, features are one thing, but what does this actually look like in the real world? Let's get practical for a second and see how these tools can get you tangible results and save you a massive amount of time and headaches. This right here, this before and after says it all. The task on the left, manually slogging through a dense 50-page report, that could take hours, maybe even a whole day. And on the right, you get a perfect, concise summary in seconds. See, this isn't about replacing you, it's about amplifying what you do. It frees you up to focus on the big picture stuff. All right, now for the real power user move. Using Claude in a browser tab is one thing, but plugging it directly into the tools you already use every single day, that's where you unlock a whole new level of efficiency. This is where you go from just using a tool to actually building a smarter system. Forget copy-pasting. Imagine Claude writing your status updates directly from your project board or suggesting code fixes right inside your editor. Here's the pro tip. Think about your daily friction points, those tedious, annoying tasks, and just ask yourself, how can I plug Claude into this exact spot to make my life easier? This quote just nails it. The future of AI isn't about creating more separate apps we have to juggle. It's about weaving this intelligence into the fabric of the digital tools we already know and love, making everything just a little bit smarter. Phew, we've covered a lot of ground, from just getting started to some pretty advanced stuff. So when you walk away from this, what are the key things you should really hang on to? Okay, let's recap real quick. First, Claude is designed to be your accessible, collaborative partner. Second, getting started is insanely fast. We're talking minutes. Third, its main features can help you with a huge range of things, from writing to coding and way beyond. And last, but this is the most important one, its true power is unlocked by your creativity. It's all about how you decide to use it. So the tool is here, it's ready to go, just waiting for your ideas. The only question left is the really exciting one. What problems are you going to solve? What are you going to build with your new Copilot? The cockpit's open.